You get minus 2x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square. Then first with first, it is minus 1 upon 2x square multiplication. So you get minus 2x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 1 upon 2 x square. Then plus, change the signs. You get 3x cube plus 5 upon 2x square plus 0x. Then first with first, you get 3x multiply with 3 upon 4x. Right? See here, why are we multiplying this? We have to find a remainder. That's our target. So 3 upon 4 into 4, you get 3x cube plus multiplication, then 3 upon 2x square plus 3 upon 4x. Then change the signs. You get what remains? X square minus 3 upon 4x plus 8. Right? So again, first with first, you get 1 upon 4 multiplied with 1 upon 4. You get x square plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4. Change the signs. X square goes. What remains? Solve this now. Minus 3 upon 4x minus 1 upon 2x. So if you solve this, you will get minus 5 upon 2x plus 31 upon 4x. Only 31 upon 4. So this is the remainder. What is the degree of this remainder? Degree means the highest power of x. That is 1. So remainder equals to 1 degree. So what is asked? The degree of the remainder is 1. So true. This is true. Okay. Find the roots of ax square plus bx plus 6 if the polynomial x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x square plus 1. See the target. What have you to do? See here, this full expression x raised to 4 plus x cube plus blah 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 is divisible by x square plus 1. It's given. It's exactly divisible. It means from this you can see that by remainder, whatever remainder will be there, that should be 0. And that once you get the values of a and b, then those you can input it in ax square plus bx plus c. Right? So first divide this with x square plus 1. Before that, check if the powers of x are in the linear fashion. Means fx equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube, there x square ax b means x is in the linear fashion. In divisor now, x square plus 1 directly. So is there any x? No, we have to put it. So it becomes x square plus 0x plus 1. So now divide it. So x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b divided by x square plus 0x plus 1. Right? Okay. Now first, to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.